Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Ooh. So first of all, Pisces, we are going to talk about your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So we have got the Death card for you, Pisces. A certain cycle has ended in your life, or something new is about to start in your life. Okay, a cycle is ending for you, and you are going to face, or you must be facing, new challenges, new opportunities in life. That means a new beginning is arriving for you. All right, all your past relationships, all the people, all the situations, all the energies which made you felt vulnerable, which made you felt worthless, which made you felt uh, less less competent, they all has gone. All of them are out from your energies, out from your circle, out from your social life, out from your personal life, and it seems like a new day has arrived for you, a new beginning is arriving for you. All right, on the other hand, we have the Hermit card. This is your partner's current energy. It seems like your person is being very focused towards something in life. It is because they do not want to get into any kind of mess, so they are taking steps slowly and gradually. They don't want to rush into anything, so they are keeping faith in divine, they are keeping faith in the lamp, and they are gradually, moving ahead in this journey. It could be with you, it could be in a towards something else, perhaps their career, perhaps their business, perhaps their finances and goals, but something is there towards which they are going very slow. Their pace is very slow. All right, now let's talk about Pisces. What is the mutual energy between you and your person? What is the mutual energy between you and your person, Pisces? Change. See, that's what I was talking about. It is surely that you are going to experience some changes in your life. Okay, perhaps you have already started noticing the changes, the change, the pattern and the behavior of the people has suddenly changed for you. Okay, and if not that, uh, perhaps you are going through some kind of a transformation things and all that, but some change is happening for you. Same goes with your partner. They are also experiencing some change. I told you that they are taking very slow pace towards something. So it seems like they just want to make sure in whatever investment they are going to invest, be it in terms of financial investment, be it in terms of emotional investment, be it in terms of time investment. They just want to make sure that wherever they are going to invest, that particular thing, emotion, object should be useful towards them. Okay, so yes, both of you are going to experience a big change in your life. Now let's see what your person thinks about you. What actions they are taking towards you, and what actions they can take towards you in future. So with this card, the first card, schizophrenia card, says that your person sees you as somebody who is hanging somewhere. Okay, they see you as somebody that you are, if not that, you have started depending on them. Okay, the way you are, the way you are here in this position, it seems like, your person sees you as somebody who is about to experience a big downfall in their life, or perhaps they see you as somebody who is completely relying on certain people who are not good for them. Or it could also happen for some of you Pisces that your person must be seeing you as someone who is relying on them. Okay, according to them, you are relying on them. Okay, and this is the reason they see you, they see you that, okay, what if nobody will come and to save you or to protect you, what will happen? Or I can see one more thing is that for some of you Pisces, it could also happen that your person is seeing you as somebody who is taking a leap of faith. Okay, since you are not sure what new you are going to see in life, since they are also not sure what both of you are going to experience in future, so it seems like your person is seeing you that you are keeping faith on them. Okay, now let's talk about their current action towards you. So with this rebel card, it seems like your person is, has started taking action towards you. It could happen for some of you Pisces that your person must not be very vocal about their emotions and their feelings towards you in past, but now they are about to break their chains. Okay, there must be some situations at their end, just because after that, I mean, because of that they could not be able to express their emotions towards you. But yes, with this card, rebel card, it seems like they are somebody who makes their own rules. All right, so when it comes to taking action towards you, I can sense it that they are about to take a certain action towards you, or perhaps they have started talking to you, they have started opening their heart in front of you, or they are being more vocal about their feelings and their emotion towards you. Okay, so this is the current actions which they are taking towards you. And if I talk about the actions which they can take towards you in future, so that will come as an adventure card. It seems like your person is going to put their faith in you. Okay, or perhaps they'll be thinking that it's okay, even though this person is showing a lot of faith in me, so I should also give them the same amount of faith. Okay, so let's just explore this relationship or explore this opportunity which has which has come into which has come into my life. Okay, so let me just explore it. Okay, and with this adventure card, you are going to be the mysterious book for them, so they'll be more curious to know about you in future. So I'm seeing that they'll be taking more and more and more action towards you. All right. Okay. So Pisces, it seems like you are dealing with some Virgos. Okay, we have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have Scorpio in this reading, and we have earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also in this reading. All right, so that was your reading, Pisces. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye. And please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you.